Oke, kembali lagi kita akan masuk di exercise ketiga teman-teman di unit 8. Di video sebelumnya kita sudah belajar tentang soal cerita, penjumlahan, pengurangan dan lain sebagainya. Aritmatika lah. Aritmatika atau apa ini teman-teman? Kita belajar tentang, coba kita lihat bersama. Mengestimate teman-teman. Oke. Jadi kita akan masuk di exercise ketiga ini, up next lesson 3 atau exercise 3 teman-teman. Kita akan belajar. Oke, kita punya video pembelajaran di sini. Kita akan belajar ini. Tentu saja.
My book is 58 pages. I have already read 13 pages. I plan to read 5 pages each day until I finish the book. Which equation could I use to find out how many days, D, it will take to finish reading the book? So pause this video and see if you can figure that out.
Jadi dia bilang dia punya buku, dia punya jumlah halaman 58 dan dia sudah baca 13 halaman. Dan berencana untuk membaca 5 halaman setiap hari sampai selesai. Dia bilang persamaannya mana yang digunakan untuk menemukan berapa banyak hari yang akan dibutuhkan untuk menyelesaikan si buku. Oke, berarti kita 58 ini kita kurangi dengan 13 dulu. Oke, pilihannya C ini. Dibagi 5. Itu.
Okay, so let's first think about the important information they're giving us. They're giving us the number of pages that are in the book. They're giving us how much we've already read. We've already read 13 pages. And they also tell us how much we plan to read. I plan to read 5 pages each day until the book is finished. And then we want an equation that it could use to find how many days, and D is how we're going to represent the number of days. Let me do that in the same color. It'll take to finish reading the book. All right, so if
Beda penjawaban si C, teman-teman.
we knew how many pages we have to read and we were divided by the fact that we're reading 5 pages per day, well, then that would give us the number of days. So how many pages do we have left to read in the book? Well, the book is 58 pages. We've already read 13, so we could subtract out 13 of those. So this expression right over here, this is how many pages we have left in the book. Let me write that down. How many pages left? And if we want to figure out how many days it's going to take to read these, we would divide this by how many pages we read each day. And we see that we read 5 pages each day. So if we divide this by 5, then this whole expression,
Kita dapat
this
C,
color,
teman-teman.
this whole expression is going to tell us how
Oke,
many.
mari kita lanjut. Kita langsung lanjut saja, teman-teman. Up next exercise. Okay, ready to practice. Okay, so ask what you can do. 4 questions. Let's go. Represent two-step words problem with question. A question. Ini yang tadi nih, teman-teman. My book is 58. Ya, sudah jelas ini, teman. Okay. When I woke up with 26 degrees outside, during the day the temperature increased 17 degrees and then it began to decrease. When I went to bed it was 28 degrees. Berarti ada penambahan 26 tambah 17 lalu 26. Which equation can I use to find out how much temperature decrease after its high point? Oke, berarti ini 26 derajat, dia tambah 17 derajat, increase. Lalu turun dan sisa 28. Menurut beta sih ada. During the first 4 days of the week, Luca built 2 robots each day. On Friday, he built 3 robots, which equation we can use to find the total numbers of robots Luca made during the week. Dia bilang selama 4 hari pertama di itu minggu, Luca built 2 robots. Berarti 4 kali 2 8. Friday dia buat 4 kali 2 tambah 3. Total robotnya teman-teman 4 kali 2 tambah 3. Nick is going to roast some marshmallow over a campfire tonight. Nick buys 4 bags of marshmallow. Each bag costs $3. Nick also buys a $2 later. Which equation can we total amount of? Okay. Total amount, Nicky buys 4 bags of marshmallow. Setiap tas berharga $3, berarti 4 kali 3 tambah 2. 4 kali 3 tambah 2 M total money-nya. Oke, benar teman-teman. Kita sudah ini belajar. Oke, dan exercise ketiga telah selesai. Oke teman-teman, terima kasih banyak sudah belajar bersama dengan beta. Kita sudah menyelesaikan exercise ketiga. Kita akan lanjut di videonya untuk exercise keempat. See you in the next video.